guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today it's my 8th vlog and this vlog is a part 2 of nature scenery drawing. You already seen my part 1 nature scenery drawing. It's almost done with the black outlining will be not done and coloring part will be not done. Only sketch pencil of the drawing will be finished. So that's why I want to show you how to doing a proper scenery drawing with coloring or pencil sketch or black outlining. So that's why I am making a part 2 this nature scenery drawing. So let's start to this drawing of nature and I will show you how to doing a coloring part in this drawing and how to doing a sketching with black sketch pen. If you don't see my first part 1 of nature scenery drawing, so please see my vlog 7 part 1 of nature scenery drawing, then it will be helpful for you. You can draw easily scenery drawings of regarding nature. So please like and subscribe my channel if you want my regular vlogs in this YouTube channel. So please like and subscribe my channels. So let's start to this part 2. It is a scenery drawing of nature. Now start to do this drawing with coloring part or sketching with black sketch pen. First of all, I will take it my black sketch pen to outlining this drawing. So now we can start to do this sketching part with black outlining. First of all, we have to sketch with black sketch pen of boats. Every board we have to outlining with black sketch pen. So board sketching part will be done. Now we have to sketch with mountains with black outlining. Now second mountain I will sketch it with black sketch pen. Now it's last mountain, we have to sketch it with black sketch pen. Now in this side of inside part we have to do it black sketch pen outlining. Leaves part side we have to outlining now with black sketch pen. Only last leaf part we have to sketch it with black sketch pen. In properly shape you have to sketch it. Now what part we have to do it is sketching part with black sketch pen. Now door side we have to outlining. Now I will show you when it will be done with all sketching part with black outlining. Then I will show you better. Now my nature scenery drawing black sketch pen outlining will be done. Now I have to start to do a coloring part in nature scenery drawing. In two types of coloring part I will use it. It's a DOMS wax crayons and it's a DOMS of oil pastels. Both of colors I will use it to doing a coloring part in nature scenery drawing. Let's start to do this. Firstly, in sun side we have to doing a coloring with yellow color. In sleeping position we have to doing a coloring part. Orange color part also we have to mix it. And other sides we have to doing a yellow color. Now sun coloring part is done. Now take it here. I will take it black color for boards. This scenery part I will make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 birds parts and sky. Now I am taking light green color. Leaf size I will do it. Outer side part also we have to doing outlining of color with light dark green. So that's why I am doing a little bit color light green also in outer side. Now I am taking a light green color for bushes. In one position part we have to doing a coloring. In sleeping position right now I will doing it. And this side also same color, light green. Now I am taking green, dark green color. In leaf side I will do it, outlining part only from outward side, not inside coloring part. We have to do it. So now my coconut tree coloring part is done. Now I am doing it watercolor part, this side, reverse side. So I will take it a light blue color. This side I will doing it right hand side river coloring part is done. Now I am doing a left side river coloring part with light blue color. In one position part you have to doing it, in sleeping position only you have to take it. Now this side I will doing it. Now river coloring parts is done. Now I am taking a orange color for this side. I am doing it. Orange coloring part will be done. Now I am taking a brown color for a door. This side I will doing a brown color. Standing position I am doing the coloring part only in one way. When the door coloring part is done, then I will show you. Okay. I'm doing a coloring in heart with yellow color in one position, standing and sleeping. Basically I will doing a standing position mostly. Now this side also you have to doing a coloring with an orange color. In standing position we have to doing it their contrast of yellow and orange will be very nice, so that's why I'm doing this contrast coloring. yellow and orange. Now orange coloring part will be done. Now downward side also I will doing the sleeping position, orange color. Now this garden side we have to do it in grass, light green. In sleeping position we have to do it. And in standing position also we have to do it. When grass coloring part it will be done, I will show you. Grass coloring part is done. Now this grass coloring part is only incomplete, but we have to do it another color, dark green color I will do it. So that's why I'm not doing light green color that side. This side also we have to do it same, dark green. When it will be complete, I will show you. Grass coloring part is done. Now in both side we have to doing coloring red color. This side I will do it. This side I will do it a red color, and this side also same. Other sides I will doing a blue color, dark blue color. This color contrast will be also nice. I like it. So that's why I'm doing. Now both coloring part is finished, and this other side we have to do it a white color. It's already white drawing sheet, so I don't think I want to doing a coloring part of white in the sides. But in mountain side I will doing a orange, no sorry, I will doing a brown color. I think I will doing a dark brown or light brown, so I will choose a light brown color. It's better. Only shading type I will doing it, not proper coloring part I will do it. Only shading type. Not much very dark and not much very light. It's medium. Only like a shade type I will doing it. So last side also I will do it. And right now I'm in the second one. Only in shading side I will do it this side. Now this mountain coloring shading, it's almost done. Now this coloring part will be done, but only last coloring part it's left. It's a light blue sky color. I will do it in sky. In very light you have to do it, not dark, not light. So I will show you when it will be done. Now my mountain coloring part of shading and sky of light blue sky color will be done, and this final look of nature scenery drawing is completely done. You can check and see my screen. How is it? Now my mountain coloring part of shading and sky of light blue sky color will be done, and this final look of nature scenery drawing is completely done. You can check and see my screen. It's a nature scenery drawing. If you like it my this vlog, so please like and subscribe my channel for new notifications of regarding my new vlogs. If anyone interested to join drawing class with me, so my contact number in description box, so please check and contact me. I will come in new vlog. Bye.